Hold on. What? We. But I was supposed to share the room with Alice. I. This must be some sort of a mix up. Okay. Are you sure that this is actually the case though? I mean, who even told you this? Seriously? How the hell did the teachers mess up something like this? Well, whatever. I I suppose it could have been worse than this. I mean, don't get me wrong. You're a moron, but at least you're a moron that I know of. Yeah. Either way, we just have to share a room. It's not like we'll have to sleep together or anything like that. Huh? There's there's only one bed? Hold on. Hey, are you sure that this is our room? I mean, did you not mix up the numbers or something like that? I no, but this just cannot be right. I mean, did they expect us to just Yeah, I don't know. I don't think that there's much that we can do. Can we? I just Okay, whatever. Let's just go inside, put down our things, and I guess we'll just try to figure something out. Can you help me with this? Thanks. All right. Uh, okay. Well, I mean, it is a king sized bed, so maybe it won't be that bad, right? We can also use these decorative cushions, or whatever these are, as a barricade between the two of us. Just make sure that we don't accidentally touch or anything like that, you know? Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Um, all right. I need to quickly change into my pajamas, so you have to turn around. Uh, what? No, I'm not going to the bathroom. Did you not see how cramped it is in there? Okay, listen. I just want to change here, alright? Just stop arguing and turn around. It's really not that difficult. Plus, it's only gonna take a minute. Okay, thanks. Now, turn around already and don't try to peek, okay? Because if you do, I swear I will kill you. Or something like that. Okay. Um, you can turn back around now. What do you mean? What? Is there a problem? Well, yeah, I don't like pink. But these were just cute, okay? So I got them. Why am I even explaining myself to you? Just leave me and my pajamas alone, okay? Don't be mean. Tch, yeah, whatever. Hey, why are you lying so far on the side? You're gonna fall off the bed like that, you idiot. Uh, huh? No, I'm not telling you to get closer. Just I'm saying that maybe it's not really comfortable, you know? I was just trying to be a nice friend, but whatever, I guess. Okay. Um Wait. Did we lock the door? All right. Um I I suppose we go to sleep then. I'm I'm gonna leave this light on, if you don't mind, for the mood or whatever. I I didn't mean it like that, okay? Gosh, you're such an idiot sometimes. Never mind. Hey, why do you literally have the entire blanket to yourself? Huh? No, there's only one. You'll have to share a little, unfortunately. Okay, jeez. Hey, and can you also stop moving so much? No, but you're shaking the whole bed. It's it's just annoying. I what? I'm not nervous. What are you saying? No, it doesn't make sense. Why would I be nervous even? Well, okay, anxious, maybe. That's not the same thing as nervous though. And also, no, it has nothing to do with you. Okay? Everything. I don't know. This motel is just so shitty, and the mattress is uncomfy, and it's also so cold in here. I honestly don't know if I'll manage to fall asleep in a place like this. Yeah, well, you're a completely different story, alright? God. No, but seriously, you always stay up late. And then you complain the next day to me. Almost like it's my fault or something. I'm not nagging you, okay? I'm just stating facts. You should really fix your sleep schedule. Like, actually fix it. For once. Yeah. Mm, you know, this is this is kind of weird when you think about it. No, not the bed thing. I mean, yeah, this is weird too, but I'm talking about us actually being quiet for once. No, you know what I mean. Like usually when we're together, you're always yapping about something dumb or I am or both of us are usually. I mean, we don't really have silent moments like this ever. So it feels a bit strange. Though, I don't know. maybe that's just because you're an idiot. Hey, that was just a joke. Plus, I don't always call you an idiot, okay? Alright, well, I do, most of the time, but that's only because it is partly true, you know? You know what's funny? This is the look. You you always make this face or whatever when you're pretending not to be offended, but you actually are a bit. um, hey, but on a more serious note, I gosh, I can't believe that I'm about to say this, but I'm sorry if I ever push it too far sometimes. I mean, with the insults and being mean or whatever. You you do understand that it's all just jokes though. I hope. Right? Okay. Um that's good. M- maybe maybe this will sound stupid, but it it feels like if I don't constantly joke around and make sarcastic remarks and stuff like that, then things get awkward, you know? And I hate awkward. I mean, who doesn't? But yeah, I especially hate it. mm, yeah, I I know. You know what I just remembered? The first time that we met. Do you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, the group project. That was something. No, but honestly, up to this day, I still cannot comprehend how on earth did you manage that. I mean, spilling your coffee all over our worksheet? Honestly, that has to be some sort of a talent. Yeah, but anyway, I I just remembered it and you know, in that moment when it happened, I was genuinely upset. And I thought, great. Of course I got matched up with some complete moron. But then you actually stayed up all night rewriting everything and even redoing some of the calculations for the parts that you couldn't make out anymore because of the stains. And you didn't even complain or ask for my help. So so then I thought, wow, okay. Well, this guy is still a moron, but a very dedicated one at that. And maybe even a sweet one. And yeah, from then on, you just kind of stuck to me, you know? I mean, we haven't sat apart in class since, have we? Yeah, um, I, I don't really know what's possessing me to say this right now, but I, I really appreciate having you around. I mean, I know that I always say that you're annoying and that I dislike you, but well, obviously those are just jokes, as I said before. And I guess most of the time, I'm kind of scared to say something else. Because, like, if I say that I do like you, then it sounds like it actually means something, and I don't know. I guess it's scary a bit if something means something, because what if you don't feel the same way, you know? What? Uh, Well, I'm no. I'm not. Okay, honestly, I I don't know what I meant, but I don't even want to think about that right now. Just forget it. Interpret it however you want to. Though I probably said too much already. Just never mind. I look, can we maybe just go to sleep already? I I don't want to talk about this. Not right now, at least. You're just an idiot. That's all you need to know. Okay, good. Sleep well then. Hey, um, you're not sleeping yet, right? Okay, shut up. Whatever. I'm sorry. Um, I just I realized something and I really cannot fall asleep. So, okay, this is gonna sound really, really dumb and it's also a bit embarrassing, so please just don't laugh at me, okay? I I forgot to pack Muffy with me. Uh yeah, um Muffy is a plushie. It's a rabbit. I just forgot to put him in and hey, you told me you wouldn't laugh. Uh, I'm not a baby, all right? Adults can sleep with plushies too, by the way. It's it's not that uncommon. Plus, he's really cute and soft and you know what? You just wouldn't get it. Either way, I usually sleep holding him and now my hands just feel weird when they're empty like this. So so I thought m- maybe I could hug your arm if you don't mind. Just until I fall asleep. Once you notice that I'm out, you can just push me away and turn around or whatever. I mean, you're still gonna be on your phone for some time anyway, so hey, I'm just asking you nicely. Don't don't get the wrong idea. All right? You're you're making it sound as if I want to hug your arm, but that's not the case. Okay? I don't. I obviously don't. It's just that there aren't any other options at the moment. Okay. Um thanks. Uh is this all right for you? I I don't want to cling on too hard if it's uncomfortable. Hmm. Okay. What? What is it? Okay. There are extra pillows? And so what? Where are you going with this? Oh, well, I didn't think about that. I mean, I didn't even. All right, yeah, well, it's it's a fair point. I I could just hug a pillow. Um, but I mean, we're already kind of settled in. So, yeah, I don't know about you, but I'm a bit too lazy to get up, so I would just say to stay like this, but uh, you would. Okay, but I'm telling you that it's not it's not necessary. All right? Your your arm is fine. Oh my god, just I I know what you're trying to do. All right? I you really are an idiot. You know that? Okay, what do you want from me? You you just want me to say it, right? Okay, fine. I I will. Um I I want to hug your arm. There. I I said it. Happy? Tch. Well, you better be because I'm going to sleep now. And I'm not saying or doing anything else because I think I already said too much. Whatever. Just enjoy the moment and shut up. All right? And and don't let go. I mean, even after I've fallen asleep. Okay?